The subject of today's lean-in video is passive income. I'm in the business of helping people to generate a passive income. Now, what does that mean? It means that I can introduce people like you maybe, to a new opportunity within a business that helps you to generate an income without you having to go and work for somebody else. Yes, that's right, running your own business, and actually in this case, your own online business. And I was asked this question the other day, which I thought was very relevant, that if I'm offering perhaps one opportunity to somebody or to the marketplace for earning a passive or an additional income, and they don't really like the idea or the sound of the product or service connected with that particular business opportunity, what do we do? Well, the great thing is, I think it's a bit like trying to sell a car. Bear with me for a moment. If I was selling a car and perhaps I had a lovely red shiny car to sell, and I'm talking to somebody and saying, would you like to buy my car? And they go, yes, but I don't like the colour, then there's no other alternatives. And in a way, it's a bit like my business, where I don't just have one business opportunity, or in this instance, one car to offer. I have a number of options that I can offer to people who are looking to generate a passive income and an additional income, working for themselves and running their own business. And today, perhaps there could be one of 4 opportunities that I could offer you. It's a bit like offering you the choice of one of 4 different colours of car, maybe. You know, if you want to buy a car, but you don't want to buy a red one, then perhaps you would buy a black one or a blue one or a green one. So in this instance with businesses, if you're interested in starting your own business and generating a passive income, you might consider, well, looking at the digital online marketing education space. But if you say, no, I'm not really interested in digital online marketing education, I might then say to you, well, what about nutritional products? You know, have you thought about what we're putting into our bodies these days, and would you value actually being involved in a business which teaches other people how to eat better, eat nutritional products, and to be able to generate an income for yourself at the same time? And you might say to me, you know, I'm not really interested in nutrition or nutritional products. So I might say, well, have you thought about cleaning products? You know, the things that we use every day in our homes to keep our homes clean and tidy. And actually, the business opportunity that I'm talking about today is environmentally friendly cleaning products. You know, we're all aware, aren't we, of so many cleaning products these days which involve harsh materials which are not very marine friendly. And we're also conscious of the number of plastic bottles that are used to store these cleaning products. But again, you might say to me, Peter, I'm not really interested in cleaning products either. So my 4th option might be to say to you, well, one of the things that I'm doing is making money by using Forex Trading. And that's basically trading foreign currencies to make a profit. And it's a very effective and profitable business that not only can you generate more wealth by investing some money in foreign currency trading, you can also be involved in generating an income by being an affiliate for that business and offering the same opportunity out to other people that might want to do the same thing. So there it is for the moment. Maybe it's a choice of 4 businesses or 4 cars, if I use that same analogy. You know, would you want a red one, a black one, a white one, or a green one if it was a car? And maybe there's one of those colours that you would choose. Or if it's a business opportunity you're looking for, maybe you would choose one of those 4: digital marketing education, cleaning products for our homes, which are environmentally friendly, nutritional products, so that actually we're feeding ourselves and helping other people to feed themselves nutritionally good food. Or maybe it's the 4th one, which is that trading foreign currencies. Anyway, you'll find all details on my website available at peterboulton.com. I'll put the website address on this video so that you've got it. And if you feel like you'd just like to reach out to me and have a discussion and perhaps talk through the merits of those 4 different options, then please do so. I look forward to hearing from you.